Hi there. Today, I'll show you how to flip text on a circle using Canva's Text Path Maker tool. It's quick, easy, and perfect for eye-catching designs. Let's get started. Now, go to the left side menu and click on Apps. In the search box, type Text Path Maker. When it appears, click to open it. Once you're inside, select a custom shape. We'll choose circle for this example. Type your text in the box. Want to flip it? Just turn on reverse path. Your text will instantly flip along the curve. Now, style it up. Change the font, the text color, make it bold or italic. You can even add a background color or a soft outline for extra impact. Want something unique? Try the Draw Path option to sketch your own curve. Your text will follow whatever shape you draw. When you're happy with it, just click Add to Design. The curved text will drop right into your Canva project. You can resize, rotate, or layer it with your other elements. And that's it. You've just flipped curved text using Canva in under 3 minutes. If you found this helpful, follow for more quick Canva tips. Thanks for watching.